Good morning, it's very nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Screen, and in this video, I will present a new project for genetic newborn screening offered by the European research project Screen4Care, which aims to accelerate the time to diagnosis of rare genetic diseases. Let me first tell you about rare diseases. Genetic diseases are caused by the presence of errors in DNA, the molecule of life. They are defined as rare because they affect less than 1 person in 2,000, and most of them occur in children. Hereditary monogenic diseases are caused by mutations in a single gene. Examples include Mediterranean anemia, cystic fibrosis, and Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The genetic makeup of each of us is written in our DNA sequence contained in the nucleus of our cells and packed into particular structures called chromosomes. These chromosomes contain genes, which are specific portions useful for producing the proteins we are made of. Monogenic diseases are diagnosed by molecular genetic analysis of DNA. The newborn genetic screening proposed by the Screen4Care project aims to identify some monogenic diseases in newborns for which there is an approved treatment. Oh, here you are, baby Rare. It's been so long. It's rare to see you around here. What did you say? What is currently being done in Europe? In Europe, metabolic screenings for a few rare diseases such as spinal muscular atrophy and genetic newborn screenings are carried out at birth by taking blood drops, called a dried blood spot, from the heel of the newborn. This screening allows us to identify certain rare metabolic diseases by analyzing substances in the blood, called metabolites. Rare monogenic diseases, however, are not always associated with the presence of metabolites in the blood, and therefore only molecular genetic analyses can identify the disease. Baby Rare, did you know that the 5-year Screen4Care research project is a European consortium coordinated by the University of Ferrara and by Pfizer? The project aims to design and validate a newborn genetic screening that will analyze 245 genes whose alterations cause rare diseases. The approach consists of the analysis of DNA that is collected via a drop of blood from the heel, just like for the metabolic screenings. What are you saying, Baby Rare? Oh, right. It's important to note that the Screen4Care project flanks existing metabolic screenings for your child by increasing their diagnostic capacity. In fact, while current ongoing metabolic screenings analyze a few diseases only, Screen4Care analyzes 245 genes. These genes are contained in what we call a treat panel, which is our innovative and new diagnostic tool for identifying rare diseases for which a treatment exists. But Screen4Care isn't just that. In fact, for newborns who test negative with the treat panel but show signs of disease, we offer whole genome sequencing, or WGS, the most extensive genetic analysis currently available, which allows for a complete reading of the genome. How will we communicate the results? If the result of the treat panel is negative, you can choose to receive a letter in the mail or an email that will confirm that no anomalies have been found. If the result of the treat panel or WGS is positive, we will contact you personally to schedule an interview where we will discuss the results with you. After this interview, it will be our job to locally set up the baby's care or to put you in contact with centers of excellence called European Reference Networks, or ERNs, where you will find specialists to assist you in all aspects of diagnosis confirmation, prevention, and therapy. Baby Rare, show us how enrollment works. We may meet at different times, both during pregnancy and after childbirth. During these meetings, we will present the project to you, and you can ask us questions. You may also fill out our form to express your interest in participating in the project. We hope we've interested you in what Screen4Care offers and that you'd like to join the project. What are the enrollment choices? You can choose to join just the treat panel, or you can choose to join both the treat panel and whole genome sequencing. Keep in mind that joining is voluntary, free, and requires signing an informed consent form by both parents. As previously mentioned, joining the Screen4Care project does not replace metabolic screening. If you would like to know more, visit our website at screen4care.eu and follow us on social media, where you'll find all the information about the project. Baby Rare and I thank you for your attention. Bye!